Maintenance and filter replacement. Please replace the filters in accordance with instructions. To purchase a replacement filter, contact your local service centre or Zepter representative. Filter replacement cycle. Irregular filter replacement decreases the quality of the filtered water. The quality of the water supplied to the device impacts the duration of the filters. The NeoSense filter has an average lifespan of 6 months. The InnoSense filter, 18 months. The reverse osmosis filter, 20 to 24 months.
The hygienic filter, 12 months. The hygienic filter contains silver, which prevents microorganisms from multiplying and maintains sustainability of the filter.
The lifespans presented in this presentation do not constitute a guarantee for proper operation of the filters, but provide an approximate time in which the filters operate meeting requirements. If the water is highly contaminated or it contains particulates influencing its quality, it may be necessary to replace the filters more frequently. Filter replacement. Close the water supply and remove all water held in the unit. Replacement of all filters. Open the top cover and remove the front plate. To remove the front plate, unscrew the 2 screws with a screwdriver. Important: do not use excessive force on the tap handle as it may damage the unit. Disconnect the installation and the connection of the filters and replace the filter. Use a flat screwdriver. Make sure you reconnect all the couplings in a proper way. Important: proceed with care when replacing the filters and reconnecting the installation and hoses. Make sure there are no leaks and dispose of the first portion of the filtered water. Close the front panel by placing it in a designated location within the notches. Replace both screws with a screwdriver. Close the top cover and open the water supply valve. Wait approximately 15 minutes. Place a glass under the tap of the unit, open the tap and wait for the first drops of water to appear in the glass. After the first few drops of water appear in the glass, close the tap and wait for about 30 minutes. Next, open the tap again and dispose of 5 full glasses of filtered water. Ideally, dispose of a full tank of water.